Hi everyone, welcome to Patterns Decoder channel. This channel is about technical analysis on Bitcoin and altcoins. My interest is to find similar patterns in market and try to analyze it. Basically, I believe in wave theories and Fibonacci ratios. Patterns are everywhere. We have to figure out where we are in the market and which pattern is applicable to it. Patterns are formed by the psychological behavior between the buyers and sellers. If you are new to my channel, please click on subscribe to my channel for weekly updates on BTC, Ethereum and XRP. Today I want to discuss on the three things of the and the review of StreamR data coin. That the first thing is the fundamental, and the second thing is technical, and the third thing is where we can purchase StreamR data coin. Let us go to the fundamentals of StreamR data coin. It is a real-time data backbone for the global supercomputer. Today we can see that so much data is going to the different platforms and everything is centralized. The Facebook, Google, Yahoo, YouTube, everything is a data. This data is controlled by the like centralized networks, and there is so much lag in the system. So there is a decentralized network which has a following silent features. That is a streamer data coin. That is a which is scalable, low latency, and untamperable, which cannot be tampered, and persistent consistency. That and streamer operated by the data coin or data token. Let us why we need this streamer network, because we can see the amount of data between the devices like internet of things. There are so many devices are connected when we compare with 2015, 15.4 billion devices are used, and so much data is transmitting in between them. And by 2020, this year, can see that 30.7 billion devices are used. So much of data is collected. We are expecting that by 2025, 75 billion devices interconnected, and so much data is going on. This rapid growth with the devices and enormous increase in the data makes the like you should have a decentralized network which has consistency and so much high speed network. So what streamer network solutions can be used to optimize manufacturing operations? Like it will track the assets with high accuracy and target existing consumer users with high granularity, and it can create new service and new business models. Like we can say like it is the easiest place to create real time data driven and trustworthy blockchain applications. And we can see that at present with scenario there are so many centralized cloud services, and streamer is a revolution kind of thing that it can suppress it by with the utilization of tokenized and decentralized solution. For example, Golem, for example, it will replace the Azure virtual machine, and IPFS replaces Azure blob storage. We can from here we can understand that what is the difference between cloud network services and streamer network services. Let us you can see here the table of data. We can see the features. What are the features? Robustness, if you go to the cloud it will be very less. If it has streamer network it will be very high. And scalability, we can see non-scalable cloud services, and which is in streamer it is highly scalable. And temperable, there is a chances of temperable in the centralized network of cloud services, and streamers it is a decentralized one, we cannot tamper it. When nowadays the cyber attacks is going on in everywhere in exchanges and everything, so it is better go for a decentralized one and streamer network services, because there is very less chances of vulnerability for cyber attacks. And the main crucial thing is storage cost. In the cloud services it is very expensive, and streamer networks is very economic. These are main features. And streamer networks is operated by data token. So what I'm going to say is it is implemented as a ERC, Ethereum 20 token on Ethereum. The token smart contract manages data coin balances. You can here is the flowchart of representation of data coin or digital token and data. From producers to consumers, how it is translated between the nodes, like a data and event data. Suppose from producers, if whatever the we are the producers and some other is the consumers, like we are the consumers and some other producers, so we give the data and they will pay the whatever the amount they want, and they will collect the data. The same way we can act as the consumers and producers. In between the nodes the data coin acts as a between the producers and consumers and supports the data. Let us take an example. Suppose if you are driving in an electric car, so much data is involved in between the devices. So this suppose your battery is low, it will inform the information to the battery company, so that the battery replacement service company it will replace it. So that service center is taking the data. The same way we are giving the data. In between the thing, the data coin acts as a thing. In the same way the fuel for the car and electricity for the car, all things are applicable. So streamer is a technological stack. There are different things in the streamer. One is streamer editor, the second is streamer engine and data market and network and smart contracts. and computer resource, event storage, and Ethereum. Let us go through one by one. What Streamer 8 is going to do? It is nothing but a toolkit which enables data-driven apps for the cars or something, which is the like a rapid development of decentralized thing. What Streamer Engine? It is nothing but a high performance event processing and analytical engine that executes off-chain applications of decentralized fashion. What is Streamer Data Market? It is like a universe of so much data streams will be there which anyone can contribute and subscribe to. We can take the data and we can give the data. What is Streamer Network? It is a data of transport layer defining an instantaneous P2P network. Everybody knows that for messaging in a decentralized data pipeline, a streamlined decentralized pipeline. Smart contracts. What smart contracts of Streamer can do? It enable nodes in the Streamer network in the above thing to reach consciousness, hold stream metadata, and handle permissioning and integrity checking and facilitate secure token transfer. That is the main crucial thing of the smart contracts and everybody is now doing. What are the revolutions and transformation in decentralization? You can see here like Azure Virtual Machine decentralization is going to Golem and Azure block storage is going to IPFS storage. What streamers can do? Azure Event Hub and Azure Stream Analytics through your data pipeline lining and messaging, Streamer can take over this. How the revolution is going to transform from centralization to decentralization. This is the current status of Streamer. There is a highly advanced platform already in the creating data pipelines and visualizations. These platforms provide a functional starting point, but to reach at present in a centralized one, but in order to reach a decentralized one, it has to reflect it in a run a decentralized container and use the new Streamer network layer for message transfer. A roadmap is already given here. Here we can see there are three milestones M1, M2, and M3 and they are subdivided into like work packages. In M1 you can see incentivized data delivery network, and the second thing is first version of data marketplace as I explained in the earlier slide, and the third one is stack adoption. The first thing is work we can see the incentivized data delivery network. Like the work package one, what can do? Prototype decentralized broker network, and the second thing is barebone marketplace. Engine goes to Ethereum and seamless on-chain and off-chain computing. It can be done in the incentivized data delivery network. The second thing is first M2 is like a milestone. Second is the first version of data marketplace, like support for data monetization and equity. This is the main crucial of monetizing everything and giving the exact data what the consumers are required, and completely decentralized marketplace achieving decentralization. The M3 advanced routing location optimization community building and productivization. The final conclusion is Streamer is a part of computing revolution where monolithic like monopolic solutions are being suppressed by the decentralization. Like centralization can like it will be overcome by the decentralized computing alternatives. There is a power transfer taking place from corporations. The centralized monopolies are big corporations, and it will come to the individual citizens like us and autonomous apps, and leading to improved privacy, efficiency, resilience, and fault tolerance, and ultimately higher welfare for the good designs of the connected society. This is according to the fundamentals of Streamer. I think it can have a bright future as per the fundamentals. Thank you for the fundamentals. Let us go through the technical part of what it can do. Let us see here, like stream or there are two types of there. One is streamer and data coin. There are two, don't confuse the things. So let's type in the streamer USD dollars of coin market cap. Let us get the data. See, from here we can see that from it has been topped in the like December 2017 or January, and it went on for the bearish kind of thing as the market is in bearish. So it went for the correction, and we can see here volumes has so much less volume, and again see this the volume has been taken, accumulation has been happened here, and you can see the MACD what happened here. Slowly it went on to zero, and again it crossed the above zero. So what I'm expecting, this is the this point what I'm showing to here. Let us have a glance. So this is the bottom. We can clearly see this is the bottom for the Streamer data coin. Here on, from March, all the altcoins has been going for the first wave 1 and wave 2. What I'm expecting is from here, this is the 0 point and this is the first wave, and so it is going for the correction from when? From May 11th to now. So I'm expecting this is the correction phase. Once this correction has been completed, maybe it will complete for 1 or 2 weeks. After that, it going to go for a ride. Let us have a glance on the daily chart. What is going on here? See whether the cycles has been completed. So this is the first phase of the cycle, and the small is the second cycle, and third is the third cycle. So I am thinking that if at all, maybe the cycle is completed, as the chart showing that the cycle has been completed. Once this MACD is crossed the zero line, I think it can go for a second bull run, second like third cycle I can say. Let us for the better take option. See here MACD. If the blue line is still in the downtrend on the weekly chart, let us turn it to the above the orange line. Maybe it will take 1 or 2 weeks, or like 2 to 3 weeks. Then we can enter into the position for streamer data coin, that we can say for entering the position. Because let us have a glance of what Fibonacci ratios is showing. Take it out the Heikin-Ashi, take it out the Fibonacci extension. Okay, so we can see here this 0.236 acts as a very good resistance zone. So after the downtrend, it went for the bull run and taken the resistance zone, and again go for the correction. So this acts as a support line here. Let us take as a horizontal support. See here, let us take it off, wait off. See here, this is the support, this is the support, like we have resistance zone, this is has been went on downtrend, so it acts as a support. So my support level is here 0.031, or we can take little higher. So but so and another resistance zones, let us have a glance of resistance zones. So we already described here. So what is the target? Everybody knows that. If at all I said the wave 1 and 2, let us go for a Fibonacci extension. I am shocked to see this. See exactly, if I go for exact position, see this here 4.26 and 3 point, this range exactly meeting the previous all-time high. So my target, I am expecting that we can go for a right here. We can see here this zone. So what I am expecting in the data coin is it will go for a previous all-time high easily in the next few weeks or few months, I can say. What is the percentage we can get if at all we entry from here position last bottom point here, almost 10x we can say, not 10x, yes, 938%. We can get this 938%, I am expecting. So 10x we can get if at all we have purchased the streamer data coin, because fundamentals are good and technically it looks like we have completed we are about to complete the correction. I'm not saying it is completed. Once the weekly chart has crossed this MACD of above this orange line, it can go for a ride. So and it will reach the previous all-time high. So I am expecting a like 8x to 10x range to in order to before a correction has to happen, it has to go to the ATH. This is my technical analysis on streamer data coin. Let us have a glance of what coin market cap data. See, you can see here. If you type here, there are two things are there. Data is DTA. This is one of the another more coin. But what I am discussing here is streamer data coin. Don't forget that $0.0339. See where it started in the open source project in 2017. Okay, all-time high, what is the all-time high circulating? You can see here all the data for better understanding, and what is the all-time high, what is the prototype and website, what streamer can do. You can see here, and what are the examples, live examples of here. Let us go, and two things are being completed, and the third thing is where we can purchase this data stream data coin. So let us go through the Vajirex exchange. It has been listed yesterday in the Vajirex exchange. So go to the first of all, in order to purchase the streamer data coin, first of all you have to register in the Vajirex exchange. Link mentioned, I have given the referral link for in order, if you are new to crypto exchange, please go through my referral and create a account. And in order to start the data USDT by purchase, first of all you have to complete the verification process. Once you have completed the verification, please deposit the ANR into the account, and after that in USDT pairing we have to purchase transfer it to INR to USDT, then only we can start the work, like trading has been completed, because this data streamer data coin is not available in the BTC or INR pairing. So how to start this USDT pairing? Just type in streamer. You can see here data. Okay. You can see here 0.039. Just go for like 15 minutes start. It has been started trading yesterday. So go down. See, you can see here what is the market depth, what is the price is selling price and buy price is going, and how the water volume is there. You can see here what is the trade history. Go down here. Suppose if at all you have deposited $10,000, maybe like 10,000 INR, it will be transferred into the USDT. Suppose if at all I click 100%, automatically it will take the lowest price, which is selling price, and so that you can buy. And how to, suppose if you have 10,000 INR, you can 50% you can purchase. If at all you can change, an amount automatically comes, and buy data, you can click on buy data. If at all the order not executed, please see here where it is happened, and take out the selling price automatically, like stop limit or something, market price. Take out the market price what going on here, and click on buy button. The same way you can sell the data. This is overall how to purchase the Bajaj through Bajaj Exchange. It has been listed yesterday. I think it will have a bright future. If like, if you like my video, please click like and subscribe my share and subscribe my channel for more videos. My technique is not a financial advice and only for education purpose. Do your own research and trade, as crypto is very high volatility market. This video is not sponsored by Vajrex or anyone. Please follow Twitter, Telegram channel, link mentioned in the description button. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.